I had a question from one of my clients this week that I want to share with you. I had a client send me, of all things, a TikTok. And the TikTok video was of a listing being promoted in Hamilton.
This is what $625,000 gets for you in Hamilton, Ontario, and you got to see that loft. Go take a look.
And his inquiry was, is this TikTok new, old, relevant? Is this really a price point for this detached house? So his question was, if I was in the market right now, could I buy this house for this price point? Or is this a bidding war situation? So I told him I'm gonna do a market update and send it over to you. So I did that. And I want to share with you the results I got. I told him the only thing that we can do is be in the market, and that's the only way that you'll see the most relevant deals and steals. If you're not in the market, you won't know, and everything will just kind of pass you by. So let me take you on a little tour of the market update. It was a video market update that I sent to him. I'll edit it a bit to make it shorter, but realistically, the property ended up selling less than asking. So follow me along and I'll take you on a tour. So something that's really important to note is whenever I have a client who asks me a question, I always like to send them a video so they know how I got to the results that I do. And not only that, they can also see how what they're asking for or what their expectations are might affect, whether that means good or bad, the results that they're looking for. So this is just me going through and trying to find the house that's in the TikTok. Mind you, there is no address. So I'm just kind of playing trial and error and saying, okay, this house was on the market for X amount of dollars in Hamilton. The few things that I know is it did say that it was a 5-bedroom, 1 washroom. So let me try to search all of Hamilton to figure it out. I definitely know that I had the the list price, but who knows if that got changed, altered. So this is just me trying to narrow it down in order to find that property. Another thing that we didn't discuss is I did send him a market update prior, telling him about all the other properties on the market under his price point.
Oh, these 5 bedrooms. Yep, 5 bedrooms or more, 1 washroom. So, maybe this is it. Look, it might have sold for under asking. Look at that. So you asking, hey, do you think I can get this? And how much would it be? And would it be over asking? Is that the floor that was? Unfortunately, I can't go back because my phone is connected to this video. So I can't go back and look at the TikTok, but I think this is the house. So if this is the house, to answer your question, this house was purchased for under asking. It was listed for $624,900 and it sold for $620,000.
So we found the property. Due to the fact that the property has technically already sold and it's actually going to be closing in September, late September, I thought that I would help him explore more and say, okay, now that you can see that you should have confidence in the market. Yes, that property is gone, but let's see what's on the market in your price point and that could match your criteria. Now, I think from this specific client, I don't really think he was looking for a 5-bedroom, but if you can get a 5-bedroom for that price point, I think that's what sparked his interest. So I went through and kind of explored properties in that area with 3 bedrooms and above in a similar price point to see what was on the market. And there was 196 potential matches. So this is just to say, If you're interested in getting into the market, get into the market. You won't know what possible deals await you if you're sitting on the sidelines. The only way you'll know is actually exploring the market and having your ducks in a row, aka having a pre-approval, being able to execute when the proper property comes up in the area you're searching for. That's when you'll be able to jump on it. If you have a similar question, reach out. I would love to send you a market update.